This was last summer, and this was obviously long before the coronavirus was even in our heads. And we were just wandering around with no care in the world, looking at all the things in the shops. Well, I noticed this cookbook, and I thought, there's got to be some good recipes in there. I'm going to just flip it open and take a picture of the first recipe, and that's the one I'm going to make. It looks easy enough, and I have most of the ingredients. So let's make some cornbread pudding spoonbread for all you folks who want an easy side dish for your family, if you can find the ingredients on the shelves. So this is the lowdown on the how-to. Start with 2 eggs and beat them up really well. Add a ½ cup of butter. I'm actually using a little less butter because I don't want to use all my butter. Add a can of corn, and I'm putting the liquid in there too because it doesn't say drain it. Then add a can of creamed corn and mix that up. Add a small can of chopped green chili. The recipe also says to add chopped pimentos, but I do not have those, and I don't think it'll matter. Oops, we can't forget the sour cream. This is 1 cup of sour cream. And I'm glad I'm using it because this sour cream was almost expired. So it's a perfect time to use it up. We're going to stir that up really well. And then we're going to add a package of this Jiffy corn muffin mix. I don't think there's much difference between cornbread mix and corn muffin mix, so that's what I'm using. And the recipe says to stir it up until it's just blended. Now pour that into a greased 3-quart pan or a 9x13 pan. This is where you're supposed to sprinkle paprika on it. Oops, I had to do that later. I was pretty much out of paprika anyway. Bake in a 350-degree oven for about 45 to 50 minutes. Now, it seems so simple, and it doesn't look that great, but you know what? This really does taste good. It's a soft mix between cornbread and corn and pudding, a savory pudding. This will be an easy go-to side dish that I wish I knew about before. Thanks for watching, and God bless!